Hello, and I'm Nadia Strachan. Thank you for visiting my About page and learning just a little bit about me. So now you know I've been an interior designer for more than 20 years and I love it. It's my absolute passion. I feel so fortunate to be able to transform people's homes and their lives and in turn change their stories. I do believe that interior design has the ability to transform people's lives. It's transformed my lives, and I believe that when you change your story, you can change your life. If you change your story, you change your life. And I've seen it happen over and over and over again. So I feel so happy that you've come to join me on this journey of transformation. Now, I also write books as well, and you can see that I've written a series of books. This is one of my books that I've written, and all my book series are called Interior Design Stories. And this one is Hallway Reception Foyer. So it deals with the domestic type of hallways as well as the commercial elements of hallways as well. And so it doesn't matter whether it's for your home or for your business, these books will work for you as well. And there are a whole series of them. You should be able to see the website here, which is interiordesignstories.co.uk. That's www.interiordesignstories.co.uk. I have loved writing these books. I'm still writing them. At the moment, you can see curb appeal, hallway, living room. You go and have a look at the website. You'll be able to see for yourself. And you can either download the books or you can actually buy the hard copy as well, so there's a hard copy and these come in different sizes as well. So as well as the download, this is what I call the compact size that you can put in your bag, or there is a coffee table size, which is the A4 size, which is twice the size as this. And so that's really nice just to curl up with and just to flick through. Please have a look at them. My consultations are derived, a lot of them are from these books. So you'll see a lot of my consultations come from these books, just that my consultations are obviously go into great depth and great detail, so that you can create these beautiful interiors for your own home as well. I look forward to sharing all of my knowledge that I've garnered over the years with you and all the tricks of the trade as well. And just help you to avoid all those little pitfalls. Please join me on this journey. Thank you so much for visiting my page. And I look forward to sharing with you as we go through together. Thank you.